Hello everyone, today we're going to be simulating a dice roll. So first, we're going to import random. Random is the module used to generate random numbers. Now we're going to need a variable n. And then remember to write the module's name, which is random, and then rand int, and then 1, 6 in bracket. So generate a number between 1 and 6 inclusive. Now we can just print, and in brackets we can write u rolled and then space n. Now if you run the program, it'll give me a random number every time. So as you can see, I'm just going to run it again and again, and every time it's a different number. This is all for today. See you next time.